Hey guys, so today I'm going to tell you how to disable or turn off voice to text on Android. If you're using an Android phone and you have to turn off voice to text, so let's see how can you do this. You have to open your phone settings. In settings, just scroll down, look for shortcuts and accessibility, tab on it. Here you have to look for accessibility option, and here you have to look for a setting which is live caption. Tab on it, and here you have the live caption option. You can see I have already disabled it, but if you have enabled the setting, you have to disable it. Just toggle it and it will be disabled. So basically it's a setting which provide you text of voice. It means if you are playing any media or anything, so it will provide you text or caption of the video or media file. So that's how you can easily disable or turn off voice to text on Android. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.